Hello, everyone. We're going to dive right into this one. It's fairly short. The question is, should we call the Creator by his real name or traditional terms that were used by translators? And it's interesting to notice that the translations into English and Latin and Greek substituted the name Yahuwah with Theos, which is Greek for Lord, Dominus, which is Latin for Lord, and the English translation from Dominus resulted from the King James Version, and that turned his name into Lord. They removed it from the text at least 6,823 times. And the prefaces of your favorite translation will show you this. They took his name and threw it away and put in a device. That's what they called it. Certainly no human teaching authority is empowered to approve or disapprove a person as permanently lost. Yahusha is the judge, and those who judge others are putting themselves in great jeopardy. The trick played by the principalities in the heavenlies is to convince people that they need not worry, because whatever they picked up from the traditions of men works just as well as the truth, because they're programmed to think the Creator loves everyone unconditionally. We're programmed by teachers to call on the one name in any way our heart desires. After all, he knows our heart. That's what the first excuse usually is. Yahusha is very conditional, and his Natsarim are here to tear down false reasoning and strongholds set up to lure us away from the truth. 2 Corinthians 10, verses 4 through 5. The Natsarim are here today. People eat the flesh of pigs and hold Constantine's Day of the Sun to be things pleasing to the Lord, but in fact are doctrines of demons. Yahusha said he is one, but Athanasius proposed that Elohim is three in one at the Nicene Council in 325. Notice this. This is a powerful statement. The Ruach HaKodesh is Yahusha in human form, now resurrected after being slain and shedding his blood for the crimes of the earth. He even claimed to be Al Shaddai in Revelation 1, verse 8. He said, I was dead, and now I am alive forevermore. That's the human being that was inhabited by the Ruach HaKodesh. His body was a temple, created to be inhabited by the living Elohim, Yahuwah himself. He told Philip that. Have I been with you so long, Philip, and you haven't yet recognized me? He who has seen me has seen the Father. Our immersion, calling on his name, Yahusha, is the pledge we make to obey him. That's his covenant, the Ten Commandments. And there's only one name, Acts 4:12, and that name is Yahusha. Proverbs 30 says, what is his name? And what is his son's name, if you know? Proverbs 8:13 says, he who answers before listening, that is his folly and his shame. Yahusha will not let Hashatan change his name into another. The false name J-E-S-U-S is being exposed as the lawless impostor the world has been programmed to receive. And Yahusha HaMashiach does not give his esteem to another. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, and we'll see you in the next exciting video.